Hello students, welcome to Alga 5 revision class of Unit 3 at Sri Vidyaniketan Public School, Sri Ramnagar. Students, before we start the class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook and a notebook to read and write. Students, as you know already, the unit name of Unit 3 is Adventure. So students, let us begin our revision class with the concepts. So today's concepts are phonics and whole words. So under the phonics we are going to cover ill blend words and diagraphs. And next under the whole words we are going to cover new words. So let us begin phonics. So students, when two sounds come together will make one sound. So here when two sounds come together will make one sound. So now let us see how to read these words. Now let us see how to read these words. Here I will give some examples. So first one, claw. K and L make claw. So for claw, now we can see two examples. Clog, clam. Now moving to flour, blend words. Flour and L make a flour. Here we can see two examples for flour blend words. Flop and flat. Flop and flat. Now we can see some more examples. Plow blend words. Plow. P and L make plow sound. Now we can see two examples for plow blend words. Plot, plaid. Plot, plaid. Now moving to blow blend words. B and L make a blah sound. Now we can see two examples, blab and blad. Now moving to some more examples. Gla blend words. G and L make gla sound. Now we can see two examples for gla sound words. Glen and glob. Okay. Now we can see three sound blend words. Three sound blend words. Spla. Here S and P and L make a spla. Now we can see two examples for this spla blend words. Split and splat. Split and splat. Okay students, now moving to diagraphs. So first of all we have to know the meaning of diagraphs. Now a combination of two letters representing on one sound is called diagraphs. So once again, a combination of two letters representing on one sound is called diagraphs. So diagraphs may come before or end. Diagraphs may come begin or end. Now we can see some examples. Ch digraph beginning. Here ch digraph beginning. Chart, chop, chart, chop. Next cha digraph ending. Such, much, such and much. Next sh digraph beginning. Sh digraph beginning. Shut and shop. Shut and shop. Next sh digraph ending. Here sh digraph ending. Dash and mash. Dash and mash. Now moving to some more examples. Third digraph beginning. Third and theft. Now third digraph ending. Math, bath, math and bath. Now one more example. Word digraph beginning. Word digraph beginning. When, wet, when, wet. Okay students, now moving to whole words. Students, we already know the meaning of whole words. Now also once again we can see the meaning of whole words. Whole words means which we read the word by looking at them as it is, and we do not use the letter sounds and phonic rules to read these words. So students, now here I will give some examples for whole words. Again, both and look. And also students, here SR 28 you can refer and read and practice those words. You can read and practice those words. Now moving to examples. Here we can use the whole words and complete the sentence. Okay, here complete the sentences by using the whole words. So which whole words? Here see, look, around, next, first and high. So these words we are going to use and fill the sentence. Now first one, they looked at different animals. They looked at different animals. Here looked is a whole word. Next, they went around in a jeep. They went around in a jeep. Around is a whole word. Next, they reached the national park the next day. They reached the national park the next day. Here next is a whole word. Next, it was her first outstation school trip. It was her first outstation school trip. Here first is a whole word. Next, it was too high for her. It was too high for her. Here high is a whole word. So students, I hope you understood this topic. Thank you.